Hello everyone, my name is Vinay and you are watching EduSmart. In this video, I am going to talk about how to get a free internship certificate. So these days, many colleges are asking for internship certificates. And in order to submit this certificate to our college, we students are moving to the markets and purchasing certificates by spending around 1000 to 2000 rupees. This is what happening every year. But the thing is that whenever you are reaching to a software solution or some other solution, you are getting the certificate. But you need to remember this that even the certificates that you are purchasing from them are not verified certificates. They are just online design certificates and they will be printing their solution name, that means their company name, and they will be giving you. Those are not verified certificates. But the thing is, what you have to do is you need not spend such amount like a huge amount of about 1000 to 2000 rupees to get that certificates. You can bring that certificates, you can design your own certificates. So you are just wasting money on them for getting a certificate. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to design a certificate and submit to your college so that it will be accepted by your college and you can submit as part of your internship profile. Okay. So I'm not asking you to showcase it on your resume because when you do not have real required skills, you should not showcase any certificates on your resume. That will like it will have adverse effects on you, right? So for that reason, don't showcase fake certifications and fake courses that you have brought without completing them. That means without knowledge, don't showcase them on your profiles. And what you have to do is you need to create your own certificate with the help of online design tools, and then you can ask your HOD to take it, and if he objects it, you can choose other way. Mostly he will not object it because he cannot find whether the certificate is like a verified certificate or not, because every year lot of students are providing certificates to their colleges which are not even verified. So there is no matter of finding whether you are getting or not. Your HODs initially just check the certificate, they will take it and they will consider it and mark it as completed. Okay, that's enough. So the certificate designing tool that I am talking about is this, which is Creative Certificates. I have left the link for this website in the description box. You can take it. So if you want a certificate templates, you can click the certificate templates. You can get the whatever the certificate templates are available. For example, these are the certificate templates here. So these are all certificate templates that you can use. So you can choose any of the certificate template that you want, and you can change the names and you can change the text on this, and you can download the certificate in the form of PDF and you can submit to your college. So this is about free certificate templates already. Other than that, you can choose your own certificate making like this. You can click certificate maker and you can see this like this. The first step is you need to select a border and then you can write the text and they can choose a ribbon like this, something like a design, and you can complete your certificate. For example, let me show my certificate here. So this is the certificate I have just designed, certification of internship. So this is to certify that Mr. Jaklo Vinay has successfully completed the online internship on machine learning from this to this at StarTech Software Solutions and developed the project handwritten recognition system powered by StarTech, issued on the date and this ID, certificate ID. This is just I have created by myself and I have just got this signature and I have printed this here. I just painted it. I have just added the image here and I have created the text, everything here. This is just another logo and I have provided the name. So this is how you are going to develop a certificate and you can submit it to your college and your HOD will definitely accept this certificate. So let us see how you can do this. Now if you see here, you can change the text as you want. So if you see here, there are a lot of free templates available. You can choose the existing one or else you can directly click this open certificate maker. So if you see this, so you can see certificate maker, select border. So here there are the things that are available here. You can select a border. So this is the certificate, for example. So this is one border here. If you wanted to change this border, you can click this. They will show you a set of borders available and you can choose existing one like that. Okay. And if not, you can also choose some like ribbons. If you wanted to select a ribbon, you can choose this ribbon and you can, for example, if you like this ribbon, you can close this. It will be appearing here, so you can change, you can you can use it as and everywhere you want. You can resize it or something like that. And you can also add your own images. For example, by clicking this, you can add your own images. For example, I have already done this, right? You can add these images. If you wanted to write something here, you can use this add text, and you can write here and then click add text. Okay, that will be appeared here, and later you can resize it, reduce it, or you can do whatever you want. And you can also edit the existing one. So you can, by double clicking this, you can clad this, and you can also write whatever you want here. And this is about the certificate generation, and at the end you can directly save it, or else you can load it, or you can also download it, or else if you can also wanted to print it. So this is about certificate generation. This is not just for CSC students. Anybody can use these certifications, like for triple E or civil or anything. For example, if you are a civil student, you can use a company name like Infratech, Buildtech, something like that. You can use your own company name. Like you can design your own company name, because there will be a lot of companies available. Your college will not check the company is really present or not, right? So you can use these names and you can use it here, either be it civil, triple E, electronics, or ECE, or CSE, IT, anything, etc. Please do utilize this and provide it. If your college rejects it, you then choose for some other way. Like you can choose other way, like you can go to the real company and you can ask them as your college suggests. Because I think maybe these colleges and these software solutions or some other solutions may tie up for these certifications. If so, you can do this. If your HOD is a good man, he will definitely accept the certificates, and he will do it for your sake. That's all about this video. Thank you so much for watching this video.